Printed circuit boards, or PCBs, are the backbone of modern electronics. They are in everything from smartphones and laptops to cars and airplanes. Designing PCBs is a complex process that requires significant expertise and time. But artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the way PCBs are designed. AI algorithms can automate many of the tasks that were traditionally done by human engineers. This frees up engineers to focus on more creative and higher-level tasks. AI-powered PCB design tools can help engineers to design better boards, faster and more efficiently. This can lead to shorter design cycles, lower costs, and higher quality products. AI is also playing an increasingly important role in PCB manufacturing. AI-powered systems can optimize production schedules, identify defects, and improve yield rates. This can help to further reduce costs and improve the quality of PCBs. Routing is one of the most time-consuming and challenging aspects of PCB design. It involves connecting all of the components on a PCB with traces that must meet specific design rules. AI-powered routing tools can automate this process. They can generate optimized routes quickly and efficiently. AI algorithms can consider a wide range of factors, including signal integrity, crosstalk, and electromagnetic interference. This helps to ensure that the routed traces meet the required performance specifications. By automating the routing process, AI frees up engineers to focus on other aspects of the design. This can lead to shorter design cycles and faster time to market. AI-powered routing tools can also help to improve the quality of PCBs. They can reduce the risk of errors and ensure that the final product meets the required specifications. AI is also playing an increasingly important role in PCB design optimization. AI algorithms can analyze a PCB design and identify potential problems, such as signal integrity issues, power consumption hotspots, and areas where the design can be simplified to reduce costs. AI-powered design optimization tools can also be used to explore different design options and find the best possible design that meets the required performance specifications at the lowest possible cost. This can help to improve the performance, reliability, and cost-effectiveness of PCBs. AI-powered design optimization can also help to reduce the environmental impact of PCBs by optimizing the use of materials and reducing waste. This is becoming increasingly important as the electronics industry strives to become more sustainable. Section 4. Revolutionizing manufacturing with AI, improved yield, fewer defects, and optimized production. AI is also transforming the way PCBs are manufactured. AI-powered systems can optimize production schedules,